Let's do this example. We have a three-set Venn diagram. So first information, 80 people. So altogether in this universal set, we have 80 people. Now the name of the sets are people went to visit some continents. So E stands for Europe, South America, S stands for South America, and A stands for Africa. So we have three sets, and that is the context. Now 74 people said that they had traveled to at least one of these continents. That means this set E, set S, and set A, Africa, South America, and Europe, all these three together is a total of 74. And out of 80 people, so the first thing that we can notice is that we can think of region 8 is none. So how many people visited none of the continents? That is 8, because out of 80, 74 went and 6 didn't. So out of 80, if you subtract 74, you get 6. Now, these type of sums, they are not about elements of sets, but they are about number of elements of set. So an element of a set is like this. If you have set A, you have elements 2, 5, 7, 10. But number of elements in a set does not deal with the element itself. We don't need to know what the numbers are. We just write 4. So this is the type of sum this is. Number of elements in a set. So here, so if we subtract from 80, 74, we get 6 here. This region is 6. The next information that we have, of those, 17 had visited Europe and Africa. So Europe and Africa is 17. Now what does that mean? The language is very, very important. It means they have visited Europe and Africa. It means this region. This is very, very important. If they had said only Europe and Africa, then it would have been this region. It is very, very important. Which region? Are we talking about the entire one or just this region 5? So here it means this entire Europe and Africa is 17. So this region should be 17 minus x, because the common intersection of all, that is x. So this is 17, Europe and Africa. This is 17 minus x. The next one is 28 had visited Europe and South America. So Europe and South America is 28. This should be 28 minus x. The next one is 24, South America and Africa. South America and Africa. So this should be 24 minus x. This should be 24 minus x. So that is the trick. Now no one had visited only Africa. Now the only regions are this, region 1, region 2, region 3. These are the only A, only B, only C region. So that means no one has visited only Africa. So that means this is 0. But 8 had visited only Europe. So only Europe is 8. And 7 had visited only South America. So this is 7. So we have covered all the 8 regions. So that's it. Now usually after that, the next question is find the value of x. So this is done by simple arithmetic. If we add up all the number of elements, 8 plus 0 plus 7, region 1, 2, 3, and then 17 minus x plus 28 minus x plus 24 minus x, region 4, 5, 6, plus region 7 plus region 8. We know altogether there are 80 people. So from here we can do simple arithmetic and we can find how many people went to all. 28 plus 24 plus 6, that is 90. And when we write 90, minus x minus x minus x is minus 3x plus x. So x minus 3x is minus 2x equals to 80. We can write minus 2x equals to 80 minus 90 is minus 10. Therefore x equals to 5. 5 people went to all 3 continents. Now the next question is write down the value of these number of elements in a set. So it's a good idea to have a rough shaded region to understand which region they're talking about. So this is ESA. So E intersection A is this region, E intersection A. And union S, union means everything. So S is this region. So this is the region we are talking about here. So we can write it, since it's number of elements in a set, so that region would be, let's get back. So it would be this one, this one, this one, this one. So 17 minus x plus 28 minus x plus 24 minus x plus 7. So we can cancel this x and this x. So we have 17 plus 28 plus 7 plus 24. 17 plus, that is 76. 76. Now minus twice x. Since we already know x equals to 5 from the previous sum, so 2 5s are 10. So this is going to be 76 minus 10 is 66. The next question is S prime. So S prime means if you have this entire set, so you take everything else outside of S, that is S prime. So you take everything outside S, so that is S prime. So let's get back to the original picture. So S prime means outside this circle, that would be 8 plus 17 minus x plus 0 plus 6, that's S prime. So this would be 8 plus 17 is 25, 25 plus 6 is 31. So 31 minus x, which is 5. So 31 minus 5 is 26. Now the final one is E union S prime. So first of all, we need to figure out what is E union S. So this is E, this is S. So E union S prime means this one. But they didn't ask for union S, they asked for union S prime. So E union S prime means everything outside these two sets, intersection A. So this is Africa, this is A. So everything outside this set means this one, which is common with A. So that's E union S prime intersection A. So that region is going to be 0. We already know because this is only A. So this would be equal to 0.